Now this figure 18-25B illustrates the procedure for sizing non-time delay fuses. Now, notice in step 1, 430.6A1 refers you to table 430.250 to find the full load current of the motor based upon 50 horsepower, 3-phase, 460 volts. The full load current rating is 65 amps, selected from table 430.250. Step 2 now, we're applying our table 430.252. And, you know, we have a 4-step procedures that designers have used for many years. First of all, they want to know the type of motor they're dealing with. In this case, squirrel cage induction. What's the design letter? Design B. What is the phases? 3-phase. So with these 3 things, we can move over to the column that deals with non-time delay fuses and pick up 175% we're allowed to start with. So application 430.52C1, then we take the 65 amp full load current from step 1, multiply by 175% from step 2, we come up with 113.75. Now you have a choice. You can take step 4 and round it up to the next size using exception 1, which would be 125. Or you could just apply 430.52C1 and round it down to a minimum size of 110. But make note, now you can go below that 110 to 100 or 90, whatever size that would start your motor and accelerate the load. So the solution is just saying, based upon the table, we'd use 110 amps or 125 amps, the round up or the round down size. And that's what this illustration is illustrating, is how to calculate a non-time delay fuse using table 430.250 and table 430.52 and section 430.C1 or exception 1.